Yeah, it's like a tablet sort of.
Cool. Cool.
Right?
Yep.
Hi Mike, how you doing today?
Good, thanks. How are you?
I'm great. My name's Casey and I'm joined by Jin and Kemal. And we really want to thank you for coming out today and taking the time to give our prototype a test.
Sure.
So just to give you some background information, for our class project, we needed to design a prototype product to assist the Ghostbusters with their challenges. Any way that we could come up with something new that would just better assist them. So we've come up with this prototype here, and we're going to put you through just some scenarios, and you'll use the interface that you have to navigate and to see if you can solve the scenarios that we've given you.
Okay.
Do you have any questions for me before we begin?
No, seems pretty straightforward.
All right, awesome. And just to let you know, we are completely taking your feedback as part of our prototype. Nothing that you do will be judged in any way. It's simply just a testament to our prototype.
Okay.
All right, awesome. So, scenario number one. A ghost appears in front of you, and you want to communicate with that ghost.
Okay. Translate seems like a pretty good option, so translate.
That's what we're looking for, so nice. Translate button would help you to speak with the ghost, communicate with it. It's pretty straightforward, so glad that works. Scenario two, you want to check to see if there are any ghosts near you.
Radar seems like a good bet. Very straightforward.
Excellent.
Yep, I can see ghosts around me.
Yes, this is probably about 3, right?
Yep, there's 3.
So
They move with the interface, that's neat.
So that's a feature we added. So scenario 3, a ghost appears in front of you again. This time you want to know some information about that ghost.
Okay, click info.
Great. So on that screen, you're getting information about the ghost that is in front of you into your proximity.
Okay.
So scenario 4, you want to see a ghost that is near you but is not visible with the human eye.
Ghost vision. Oh, spooky.
Wham bam. 2 ghosterinos. So scenario 4. I'm sorry, scenario 5. If you're in danger, I'm sorry, you find yourself in danger.
I find myself in danger.
Yes.
SOS.
Excellent. That's exactly what we were going for. And scenario 6, you want to catch a ghost.
I want to catch a ghost. Net?
Done.
Cool. I point and click.
The
Net.
ghost is caught. And we have one more scenario for you. So, scenario 7. If you want to check your inventory, you want to check your inventory for captured ghosts.
Inventory.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Congratulations to you too.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your feedback and your time today, Mike. We really do appreciate it. All jokes aside, you really provided us with good feedback. It looks like you were able to navigate it pretty well. So
yeah,
we'll take that for what it is.
It's really easy to understand right off the bat.
Great, awesome.
I think net was the only thing I had a little trouble with. I just didn't see it immediately. They're just kind of off to the side. So
Right, actually, you bring up a great point. I think.
But the placement does make sense because for right-handed people, it's right there immediately. Otherwise, like these are quick things I want to do. The only suggestion I would have is to move SOS there as well, just in case I need to get there quickly.
Right, and you also bring up a great point that maybe we should optimize for people of different handedness, so right or left-handed. Is there? And I actually wanted to ask you because on our previous participants, they've shown some concern with some of the scenarios. Do you have anything that you would change about during a different scenario, or because you seem to navigate very well? But I'm wondering if you might have any input as far as.
Well, going as far as the design of your scenarios, the "you're in danger" one was good because you didn't outright say the name of the button. Every other one you want to know something like the ones where you don't use the explicit names of the buttons were good because then I kind of had to figure out what you meant. Like you want to catch a ghost, I had to kind of connect net with catch. Otherwise, you're kind of just giving me instructions on how to use it.
Right. One thing that we during our scenarios, we didn't really implement much use in a certain feature. You know what feature that might be if you were looking at it? Which one maybe?
The up down arrow keys.
Absolutely.
Don't see any use for those whatsoever.
Exactly. Yeah, we were thinking that might be some of the feedback we would get, so we're going to take that as well. And
You could even move these buttons right off the middle, get rid of that, and just put them down along the edge.
what do you think those arrow keys would be used for?
Could be moving around the radar,
Mm-hmm.
like expanding the view, scrolling up and down inventory for sure. Selecting different languages for translate. I'm
Yeah.
kind of just guessing here.
No, those were all fantastic ideas that I think we should take. And we were specifically designing the arrow keys for the inventory selection.
Right.
But you hit it and you hit two other ones, which I think would be great to implement. So, yeah, thank you so much for your time again. If you have any other questions or
Sure, no problem. No, that's it.
awesome, great. So thank you, Mike.